Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits on the day. Today is August 31st, 2020, and as you can see right here, my profit for today is $76.60. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so today I actually took a series of 5 trades, making me $76.60. Obviously, you know, today was just an amazing day. But I wanted to make sure that I control the process, so every time you see I take a trade, I make sure that it's nothing different from, you know, when it's a red day or if it's a green day. But today absolutely killed it. 1.45 on the day for Amazon, closing 34.50, but we were peak at high 3,500, almost 3,500, so 34.95. It's just absolutely amazing. I just wanted to show you my process here, how I got my $76 on the day. We can see here in the market open, we had a slight sell-off, and then we you know, the pressure right here, you can see had this huge sell-off right here, and then as you can see, it just absolutely, the buying pressure just came in, and then from there, like I stressed before, you know, I always try to trade above this EMA line right here, and as you can see, like for the most part, at least in the morning side, we can see that in the morning the EMA line, it's just everything was just above that. So as long as you're trading above this EMA line, you should be fine. Yeah, so I got in I took my first trade here, 34.17, got out 34.18, nothing too big. I trade 20 shares. That's just my strategy. You know, you don't have to follow that, but this is just my process that I usually take on a daily basis, and I try to maintain at least $100 on the day. Today I didn't quite get it, but it's something, you know, you should strive to get. But as long as you're still green, profit is profit, right? So yeah, I took my my second trade right here, 34.14, and then I got out 34.15 right here again, 28.28. This one here was pretty, I could have done without taking this trade right here, because again, usually I try to catch the bounce, so as soon as it bounces off, then I try to catch it going up. However, you can see that right after I sold out, it had this huge pullback right here. So this took my fourth trade right here, 34.80, and then 34.81 sold out, and then my last trade here, 34.88, 34.98 sold out right there, and then from there we hit the peak of 34.95. After that, we see this huge drop coming all the way back down, and then it starts to flatten out right here, and then it dropped all the way before market close, and we can see that it's picking up right here after market. So it's if you can do it, whether it's a red day or a green day, it was just absolutely amazing today for Amazon. And if we take a look here at /NQ, we can see that the futures definitely hit all-time highs. You know, we were literally, it's 1% on the day, 120 points up. It's just crazy. So if we look here at the 180 day, we can clearly see that it's the peak. Like, this is absolutely insane. So let me know in the comment section down below, how did you guys actually do today? Were you guys actually able to trade and profit on the day? Were you able to, you know, lock in those profits? Hopefully you didn't lose any money today, because we saw that the markets, pretty much most things today was at an all-time high. We also see that Apple had its stock split, and if you take a look at that, it went from 500 all the way to 129. It just means if you had 1 share of Apple stock, you clearly own 4 shares of it right now. And if we take a look at Tesla, if you had owned 1 share of Tesla on Friday, we saw that it had a stock split, and today you would have actually be owning 5 of those shares. So yeah, that's pretty much my video for today. Let me know in the comment section down below, how did it work out for you guys? If you like this video, same thing, just make sure you smash that like button, you know, hit that subscribe notification and all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. It's you do, man. You know what to do. Peace.